G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coils on my 2005 Nissan Pulsar, which is N16 model. The ignition coils at the moment in this engine are original ones. The car has done 220,000 kilometers, is almost 20-year-old. So I'm not getting enough spark, so the engine is sometimes vibrating, rough idling I get. So I thought it's better, it's a good time to not only replace the spark plugs but also the ignition coils. So it's pretty simple and easy process. I went on the website to find the original brand, genuine brand ignition coils from Nissan Pulsar. They were around $400. I decided that $400 is too expensive, so I will jump on eBay and find the aftermarket ones, which were available for a fraction of the cost. So I got the aftermarket ignition coils for $50. I will leave the link below for the supplier of these coils on eBay. So if you want it, you can go and approach them and to purchase. I'll also show you how to remove them and replace with the new ones. The sound of the coils at the moment, how they're ticking. When I pull them out, you can see the spark happening. It's a very gentle sound. And when I will put the new ones in, you'll see how loud it is. So let's do it. Right, so we've got 4 ignition coils, and we can undo them by undoing these bolts. You need a socket wrench, adjustable one. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Put it on the side. So as you can see, these are loose. I'm not going to take the cable off yet, because I want to show you how it sounds when I turn the engine on. So I'll turn the car on. Bring this close and you can hear how it sounds when I pulled it out a little bit. Be careful. Right. It's a very dim ticking sound. We need this sound to be very loud to have a good ignition, good spark. I can smell the fuel as well. Obviously I pulled it out, so coils there's more fuel, it's not burning. So I'll turn the car off and I'll replace these coils with the new ones. Got here the aftermarket ones, and then we'll see how it goes. I'll turn the car off. Remove the cables at the back. One out, second one, third, that's the fourth. As you can see, the ignition coils, the original ones, been there for 220,000 kilometers. You can't see it actually, can't judge it from the condition outside, from physical condition, how bad they are. But they are, but as you can see, you can hear from the sound of the spark, it wasn't making much enough sound. So I'm hoping that the new coils will give me a better spark and much more better control on on the drive when I drive the car. So this first one going in, brand new, aftermarket. All right, first one in. Put the bolt in. I won't tighten this one yet because I will show you how it will sound once I start the car. So I'll tighten the other ones. Remove the third one. Actually, I will leave this one as well. I'll tighten them at the end. Just want to see how they sound, all of them, once they go in. Okay, all clipped. Right. Okay. Let's fire this up and see how this one sounds. You can already see it sounds a lot better. The engine. Careful. Right. It's a very dim ticking sound. Well, it's not a huge difference, but it's still better than before. I'll see how it drives with the new spark plug. That's definitely better. A good sound on that one compared to the old one. Yep. Alright. I'll turn it off and I will secure these ones into the holes and yeah, we'll go for a drive. Tighten the bolt. Okay. Alright guys, so this is how you change the ignition coils on a 2005 Nissan Pulsar. It sounded a bit better than the old ones, not considerably better than I expected, but I just don't know, you know, maybe the drive will be far much more better than it was before. I'm hoping it would fix my rough idling issues. They were needed to be changed after 220,000 kilometers anyway. The original ignition coils are supposed to be replaced every 150,000 kilometers as recommended by Nissan. So let's hope this one fixes my issue and I get my fuel efficiency back as well. So again, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.